हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन लाइन इंटीग्रल। ओके, इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन दैट ग्रेडियंट, divergence and curl. Now we have the line integral. Okay, so let f be a vector point function. F is a vector point function and c is the any curve. C is the any curve and this f is defined at each point of the curve. Okay, f is the vector defined on each point of the curve. Then this integral f dot dr is called along the curve C is called line integral. Integral f dot dr is called the line integral, where f is the vector point function defined on each and every point of the curve. Okay, so let f equal to I f1 plus j f2 plus k f3 and this dr is the position coordinate. So this will be your dr will be I dx plus j dy plus k dz. Fine. Okay, so let us see what is that f dot dr. So f dot dr will be I f1 plus j f2 plus k f3 dot I dx plus j dy plus k dz. So this will be your f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Okay, so your line integral f dot dr will be along the curve C will be C f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Fine. We got f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz from the here, right? So this is the line integral. Okay, so now how to evaluate this line integral? The next question, how to evaluate the line integral? Okay, I'll take first 2D, 2 dimension. So let f is the vector defined on the 2 dimension. So this will be I f1 plus j f2. Okay, and your dr will be, since xy plane, so we'll have I dx plus j dy. Fine. So integral f dot dr will be f1 dx plus f2 dy. Okay, and we'll take one C, one curve. So the line integral, the integration along the curve C is called line integral. Okay, now this integral can be solved with 2 methods. Okay, I'll explain both the method. First method, if you get the parametric equation of this curve, okay, that is easy only, right? If you get the parametric equation of curve, what is the parametric equation? When x and y both coordinate, we can represent in the single variable. Let x is the some xt, y is the yt. X and y both the coordinate we can represent in the single variable in the term of t. Then x will be in term of t, y will be in term of t. Then dx dy also we can get in term of dt, something dt, right? So everything change in the t. In the place, in f1 is a function of xy, in the place of x we can replace this function of t, in the place of y we can replace t, dx will be replaced by some function with dt, dy also replaced by some function of t into dt, right? So everything change in the t. So this is the one way, and after that we get the single integration like f t dt, and we will have the, you need to find the t limit, that is depend upon the given problem. Fine, that we'll see. So this is the one way, by changing in the, if you get the parametric equation of the given curve, we can solve it. Second way, suppose we get some curve, equation of curve y equal to f of x. So what we can do, in the place of y we put f of x, in the place of dy we can put dy equal to some f dash x into dx. So in the place of y we put f of x, in the place of dy we will put the f dash into dx. So everything change in the x, everything change in the, so this will change, everything change in the x, and we can have the x limit and solve it. So there are two ways to solve the line integral. Let us see one by one. Okay, I'll take one problem and I'll solve that problem with both the method, using the parametric equation and one in that Cartesian coordinate. Okay, so let me take that problem. First problem I have, if f equal to, f is given 3xy I minus y square j, 3xy I minus y square z. Question is, evaluate line integral f dot dr, evaluate line integral along the curve C, where C is the curve in xy plane, y equal to 2x square from 0, 0 to 1, 2. Question is, f is the given vector point function, evaluate line integral along the curve C, where C is the parabola y equal to 2x square from 0, 0 to 1, 2. Okay, so first what we do, we will find out the f dr. So here f is 3x square I minus y square j dot dr. Dr will be your I dx plus j dy. So this will be your 3xy dx minus y square dy. Fine, along the curve C. Now the first way, using parametric equation, right? So for this one we can have parametric equation x equal to t and y equal to 2t square. So I can have x equal to t and y equal to 2t square. Fine. Now what is the dx? Dx will be dt and dy will be your 4t dt. 4t dt. So in the place of x we'll put the t, in the place of y we'll put the 2t square, in the place of dx we'll put the dt, in the place of dy we'll put the 4t dt. So your expression will be 3x equal to t and y equal to 2t square, dx means dt minus y square means 4t power 4 and dy means 4t dt. And what is the t limit? Here you see, what is the t? T equal to x, and x is varying from 0 to 1. Your x coordinate is 0 here and here 1. So t equal to x, so t limit will be also from 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. Fine. So this will be your 0 to 1, 6 t cube minus 16 t power 5 dt. So if you simplify, so we get 6 into 1 by 4 minus 16 into by 6. So the answer will be minus 7 by 6. So this is the line integral of this f along this parabola, right? Okay, this was a parametric equation. Suppose you don't want to change parametric equation, so directly also we can solve. Let us see how to solve directly. So this integral f dr will be, if this is your f1, this is your f2, so this will be your f1 dx plus f2 dy. Just now we have seen, right, before that. So f1 is 3xy dx minus y square dy. So here y equal to 2x square is given, right? So what is the dy? 4x dx. So very simple, in the place of y we can put the 2x square, and dy in the place of dy you can put the 4x dx. So everything change in the x. So this will be your 3x y equal to 2x square dx minus y square means 4x power 4, and dy, in the place of dy we can have 4x dx, and x limit is from 0 to 1, so this will be your 0 to 1, 6x cube minus 16x power 5 dx. So if you simplify we get 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6 equal to minus 7 by 6. We get same answer. So as your wish, whatever you want, if you want to change, you can parametric equation, or you can change without changing you can solve it. Okay, so this was the line integral. So in the next video I will solve the problem based on the line integral in the 3 dimension, where there will have the f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.